I'm truly grateful that you've chosen to begin this new day here. Before we begin, take one slow, deep breath and allow yourself to arrive at this moment. Whatever yesterday brought, today is a fresh beginning. Let these affirmations gently guide your mind toward peace, confidence, and hope. I welcome this new day with an open heart, a peaceful mind, and the quiet confidence that today holds beautiful opportunities waiting just for me. Every new morning reminds me that I have another chance to grow, to learn, and to become the person I truly want to be. I choose to begin this day with gratitude, because gratitude changes the way I see my life. I appreciate the air I breathe, the strength within me, the people who care about me, and every blessing that is already finding its way into my life. Today, I allow myself to let go of unnecessary worries. I do not need to carry yesterday's mistakes or tomorrow's uncertainties. This moment is enough, and I choose to give my energy to what I can do right now with love, patience, and purpose. I trust that everything happening in my life is helping me become stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Even challenges are shaping me into someone who is capable of handling greater blessings and greater happiness. I believe in myself more with every passing moment. My abilities continue to grow, my confidence becomes stronger, and I am fully capable of achieving the goals that truly matter to me. I deserve to believe in my own potential. My mind is calm, focused, and clear. I easily recognize what deserves my attention and gently release everything that distracts me. My thoughts support my dreams instead of limiting them. I am worthy of kindness, respect, success, and genuine happiness. I never need to prove my worth because my value has always existed within me. Today, I choose to treat myself with the same compassion that I offer to others. Every breath I take fills my body with fresh energy and renewed motivation. I feel awake, refreshed, and ready to embrace everything this day has prepared for me with confidence and enthusiasm. I choose positive thoughts that encourage growth, peace, and possibility. Whenever fear appears, I gently replace it with hope. Whenever doubt appears, I answer it with faith in myself and in my journey. I release the habit of comparing my life with anyone else's. My journey is unique. My timing is perfect, and every step I take is leading me toward the life that is meant for me. I celebrate my own progress with pride. I am becoming more disciplined each day. The small actions I take today are creating meaningful changes in my future. Every healthy choice, every focused effort, and every kind decision builds a stronger version of me. I trust myself to make wise decisions. My inner wisdom quietly guides me in the right direction, and I listen with confidence I have everything within me that I need to move forward. I attract peaceful relationships filled with honesty, understanding, kindness, and mutual respect. The people who belong in my life encourage me, support me, and inspire me to become my best self. I choose forgiveness because it frees my heart from unnecessary pain. I release resentment without losing the lessons I have learned. I make space for peace, healing, and emotional freedom. Today, I welcome new opportunities with courage instead of fear. I understand that every opportunity has the potential to open doors I cannot yet imagine. I am ready to receive the good that is coming into my life. My body deserves love, care, and appreciation. I honor it by making choices that nourish my health, strengthen my energy, and allow me to feel my absolute best throughout this day. I believe that abundance exists in many forms, including love, joy, health, meaningful relationships, creative ideas, and financial opportunities. I remain open to receiving these blessings with gratitude and confidence. My heart is filled with hope because I know that every sunrise brings new possibilities. Even if I cannot see every answer today, I trust that each step I take is leading me exactly where I need to be. I am patient with my growth. I understand that meaningful transformation happens one day at a time. I celebrate every improvement, no matter how small, because every step forward matters. I choose peace over pressure. I no longer believe that I must rush through life to be successful. I move at a pace that allows me to enjoy my journey while still making meaningful progress. I am surrounded by possibilities that I may not yet see. Every conversation, every experience, and every new day has the potential to bring unexpected blessings into my life. I stay open, curious, and hopeful. My confidence grows every time I honor my promises to myself. I trust my ability to stay committed, overcome obstacles, and continue moving toward my dreams with determination and grace. I deserve to experience genuine joy without guilt. I give myself permission to smile, laugh, celebrate my progress, and fully enjoy the beautiful moments that life offers me today. I choose to focus on solutions instead of problems. My mind naturally discovers creative answers, and I remain calm even when situations feel uncertain. Every challenge carries an opportunity for growth. I am grateful for the person I am becoming. Every experience has taught me something valuable. Every lesson has strengthened my character, and every new day allows me to continue creating a life filled with peace, purpose, confidence, and lasting happiness. As we come to the end of these affirmations, I hope you carry this feeling and of peace, quiet confidence with you throughout your day. If these words found you today, perhaps they arrived exactly when you needed them. Thank you for spending these moments with me. It truly means more than you know. Whenever life feels a little heavy, uncertain, or you simply need a gentle reminder of your own strength, know that these affirmations will always be here waiting for you. And before you go, I'd love to know how you're feeling right now. Share a word, a thought, or anything that came to your heart while listening. Your comments create a space where we can encourage one another, and someone else may find comfort in your words too. Until next time, take gentle care of yourself, and may today bring you more peace, joy, and kindness than you expected.